After watching this video, you're going to make an instant $5 for watching this video once you can be able to watch this video to the end. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a platform that will pay you $5 instantly once you sign up on that platform, and your money will start increasing day by day by doing absolutely nothing. You're not typing, you're not watching movie, you're not liking people's picture, you're not sharing, you are not doing anything. The only thing you need to do is just to sign up on this platform, and once you sign up on their platform and get inside their website, you download their app. Once you download their app will be running and it will be adding funds to your wallet. And you can be able to withdraw this money to a PayPal account or via cryptocurrency. Now, I'm going to walk you through on how you can sign up on this website in less than 1 minute. And I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below this video for those of you that would like to sign up instantly and claim your $5. Now, this platform is called Honeygain, and Honeygain uses your IP address, which is also your location, to have access to the World Wide Web. And they also use part of your unused data to have access to this World Wide Web. That is for marketing purpose. And the good thing about this platform is your privacy is well secured, so you don't have anything to worry about. And for you to maximize your profit on this platform, you have to keep your data on a 24 hours basis. Make sure your data is always on and active on a 24 hours basis. That will increase your income on this platform. The most amazing thing about this platform is that they use your unused data, not your real data. But the issue is the money you'll be making every month will cover that your data more than 3 times, and you will have an additional money left to spend on other things. Now, once you click on the link in the description below this video, it will take you to this page. You are invited to Honeygain. Join the passive income app and start earning today effortlessly. Here, if you want to get an instant $5 once you register, make sure you click on register to claim $5, the blue button in the middle, so that you will get an instant $5 once you register. And please, guys, once you get your $5, I would like to see your comments in the comment section below this video. Just indicate that I received my own $5 so that others will know that you can actually earn from this website. And I will tell you how you can withdraw that money through PayPal. It's very easy, okay? I have a video on how you can create PayPal that can send and receive funds, and you can use that same PayPal and just claim this money. But the thing is, the $5 is nothing, because you'll be earning money right from this moment once you download and sign up. Because once you install this app in your phone, I will walk you through everything. You don't need to do anything. You're not typing, you're not writing any message, you're not viewing any picture, you're not watching any video. Once the app is running on your phone, you will be making money, and you make nothing less than $50 to $55, $60 every month once your internet is on. So this is a very good way for you to make money. So click on register to claim $5 and put your email, choose a password. It's very simple, okay? Or you click on sign in with Facebook or sign in with Google, okay? So once you put your email and put a password and click on sign up or sign in with your Facebook or sign in with your Google, automatically it will bring you to this page. This is what you're going to see, okay? As you can see, $5 automatically has been credited to your account. So the next thing you need to do is to download the app on your phone or on your laptop. Make sure you create the account through a browser so that you know your password, save your password, and save the email in your drafts in your email so that you will remember it. Because if you don't remember your email or your password, in case if you change your phone or anything, you won't be able to get access to this account. So this is an account that gives you money on a daily basis. You're not doing anything. So make sure you save the username and password. That is why I said you have to create the account through a browser. Okay. So once you do that, click on download. Once you click here, you will see for Windows, for Android, for Mac OS, for iOS, for Linux, okay? So choose the one that matches your device and download it. If you're downloading on the system, once you download, you'll see it in your download folder. If you're downloading it on your phone, Mac OS or Android, once you download, immediately you download, open the APK file and install it in your phone. Once you install it in your phone, you will see it is an app in your Android or in your Apple device. Locate it in your phone, open it, and put that email and password. Once you put that email, that's all. You're not doing any other thing. Make sure it's logged in, okay? Allow the device to be permanently on your phone and allow the device to access your data. To be giving you nothing less than 30 to 50, $60 every month. I'm very certain about this because I've been using this app for a couple of months now. So make sure your data is always on. Once your data is always on, you're sure of making this 30 to $60 every month. And it doesn't consume data, it uses only your unused data on your internet. Besides, you don't need to put any other information. No date of birth, no phone number, no address, no ID, no nothing. Just your email and a password. That is all that is needed for you to sign up. In case if you would like to be getting more updates on how to maximize and increase your profit on this platform to make more money, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and the notification button is turned on so that you don't miss out and so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video on this very topic. Please, once you sign up and get your $5, you drop your comment in the comment section below because that is the only way I can know how many people that are following up on my video. And please, guys, that will ginger me and motivate me to make videos on this kind of topic on how my subscribers will succeed, okay? Because I appreciate you guys so much. I want all my subscribers to be able to make money because once my subscribers take the information that I give them and make money, I get fulfilled. I also win at the same time. So guys, please, I would like to see your comment in the comment section if you get your $5. I've been on this platform for some time and I've really increased my profits and I would like to share that information with you guys as well. So guys, sign up now and get your free instant $5 and start earning on a daily basis. Many people are really missing a lot of money online. Meanwhile, if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Aswiken Nakisle, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and some other tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekends, I post videos on new apps and games in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.